few weeks ago, I wasn't doing great. Not physically, but mentally. Life felt heavy, messy, out of control. And honestly, I think many people secretly go through the same thing, like feeling lost, overwhelmed, and tired of pretending everything is fine. During that time, I asked myself one question. What if I could slowly take control back, one small step at a time? So I opened Notion, not to build something fancy, but to build something for myself. Something that could hold my life together when my mind couldn't. Day by day, brick by brick, I built my own life OS. It took 20 days. 20 days of honesty, 20 days of facing reality, 20 days of deciding I deserve a better life. And then things slowly started to change. For the past 2 months, this system has been my safe place. Everything I do, everything I feel, everything I dream about lives here. What I worked on, what I completed, what I failed, what I gave up on, and the moments that helped me smile again. There's even a space where I upload my daily pictures not for social media, but for myself, to remind me that I'm still here, still trying, still living. Somewhere along the way, this stopped being just a template. It became a story of healing, a quiet proof that life can become organized again, peaceful again, hopeful again. One day I realized maybe I'm not the only one who needs something like this. Maybe someone out there is also struggling, also tired, also trying to rebuild their life in 2026. So I decided, why not share it? Not as a product, not as a promotion, but as a companion for anyone who wants to organize their life, their thoughts, their memories, their journey, just like I did. Because sometimes organizing your life is the first step to healing it. Thank you, and I truly hope this year becomes better for all of us.